Alright guys, so welcome to the series of market opportunities and अगला जो coin है that is watt and इसका जो ticker है that is also watt. Right now the price of this currency that is 1609, so let us keep the first entry at 160 at the market price. अगर आप इसको time frame को increase करते हो let us keep at 12 hours. So आपकी जो पहली entry बनेगी small entry at 160 market price, second जो entry बनेगी that is at 1200. So this is the second entry, first entry at the market price, third entry at about 825. And fourth entry at about this last support that is at 516. So 160, then 120, then 82 and 51. So let us keep 10, 20, 30 and 40% of allocation. तो आपका जो पहला entry that is at 160, आपका allocation रहेगा 10% of the amount invested. Second जो entry है that is at about 120, आपका जो allocation रहेगा that is 20%. Third entry at 82, आपका allocation रहेगा that is 30%. And fourth entry at 51, आपका allocation रहेगा 40% का. So on these entries आपका जो average buying price बनेगा that is 85 का. And for let us now look at the selling entries. So आपका exit के लिए you can sell at a resistance. आपका जो पहला resistance है that is at about this value that is 245. Second जो resistance है that is at about 304. Third resistance आ रहा है that is at about 349. And fourth resistance है that is at about this value 438. So these are the four good possible resistances. Fifth resistance आ रहा है that is 556. So you can take that value also. So पहला जो resistance that is 244. Second value is 304, third is 438 and 556. Let us keep equal amount of allocation for the selling exits. So आपका जो पहला exit है that is 244, second जो exit है that is 304, third exit at 438 and last exit है that is 556. So your average selling price will be 385. So average buying price was 85, selling price है 385. So still you will make a profit of 353%. अगर आपका सारा का सारा sell करते हो at about 240 for example, and let us keep at 100%, let us keep this at 0, still आपका average selling price is 240 and you will make a profit of 182%. So this much is a good amount of money that you can make from this currency, that is watt, and this currency is available on Zagex.